Hello viewers and welcome to our video on how to make money with CSGO. If you're a fan of this popular online game, you may already know that there are various ways to earn real money from it. In this video, we'll take you through some of the most effective strategies for making money with CSGO. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, you'll find something useful here. So, let's get started. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So, let's dive into video. Many of us sit at our computers playing CSGO and wondering to ourselves, can I make money from doing this? We all know the answer is yes. Gaming is a billion-dollar industry, and there's a piece of the pie available for everyone who is willing to put in the work. With so many people already having their foot in the door in the industry, it is easy to talk yourself out of even trying. There are already so many pro players and I'll never be that good. This is something that a lot of us can relate to. Luckily for us, there are more ways to make money with CSGO that do not involve playing the game. Content creation and streaming. The first thing that comes to mind when thinking about how to make money with CSGO is live streaming. There are many new people making money every day streaming their gameplay or analysis on Twitch, TV or on YouTube streaming platform. All you need to get started is a streaming or recording platform like Hobbs or XSplit, a love for playing games and a mic. If you want to get a camera to have video of yourself as well, that is a big bonus. After having listened to several streamers talking about what the most important thing about streaming is, every last one has said the same thing: consistency. If you stream at the same time every day on a strict schedule, people will get into the routine of watching you. Some people say you have to put on a character, but that is not the case. Characters can absolutely work, but most of the successful people who stream CSGO are just themselves. If you don't like being a live entertainer, you can always try making YouTube videos instead. Anything from compilations, memes and guides will garner you an audience if you do a solid job. Plenty of players former and currently enjoy keeping track of content about the title no matter how remotely connected it is. There is plenty of avenues to explore. CSGO betting and fantasy CSGO. Another way to use your CSGO game knowledge to make money is to bet on CSGO matches. If you know how to figure out who has the edge in a match between pro teams, betting can certainly win you a lot of money. Especially when CSGO betting sites offer bonuses and will match your initial deposits so you can play with more money. On top of betting money, you can bet your CSGO skins if you prefer. There are several sites that will allow skins gambling. You can play fantasy CSGO, pick your team of pro Counter-Strike players, and get points in order to beat the other teams in your league. You get points for all sorts of stats accumulated by the players you draft. For example, kills, assists, enemies flashed, and KDA are all stats that would get you points. Using your knowledge of what players contribute to their teams, you can outsmart your opponents and win money. Sports leagues have gained massive popularity from draft leagues such as this one. CSGO journalism. Esports journalism can be a good way to make money as well. Many websites will give newcomers opportunities to write their own articles and try to make their mark. Oftentimes you can just send an email to the website's general email address and they will give you a chance. If you are passionate about a game, there will always be something you can write about. Even during player breaks, you can write about the future or the past and the latest esports news. Compare players of old to the up-and-comers of today and see how their careers are parallel-led thus far. There is endless content to be written about if you truly have the commitment. Take Thorin, for example. He creates endless content across several esports, all of it with unique, insightful takes. This shows that with years of true commitment you can become a master of the craft and make a living. CSGO esports industry jobs. There are careers within team organizations and production as well. Marketing managers, social media teams, coaching up and coming teams, and many more. The esports jobs sector is huge, with plenty of new positions being opened daily. You can use your in-depth knowledge to make money from CSGO. All you need is a bit of research. All esports teams will have available job postings on their websites. Some require you to move, others will be remote. All will surround esports and people who are passionate about the field. If you really want to make money from CSGO, you can. It will take a lot of commitment and work, but it is possible and will become more so as the industry grows. The question is not really how to make money with CSGO, but when. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.